Hello everyone. Today I'll be solving one question from the topic inventory control, which comes under the industrial engineering subject, right? So we have been given the two cases. A company buys 1000 pieces per year of a certain part from a vendor X. The changeover time is 2 hours and the price is rupees 10 per piece. The holding cost rate part is 10% per year. So this is the first case which has been given in the question. In the second case, the examiner is asking for the same part. Another vendor Y offers a design where the changeover time is 6 minutes with a price of rupees 5 per piece and a holding cost rate per part of 100% per year. The order size is 800 pieces per year from X and 200 pieces per year from Y. Assuming the cost of downtime at rupees 200 per hour, the percentage reduction, that is what we have to calculate in the annual cost for the case 2 as compared to the case 1. Okay, so we have to calculate the reduction in the percentage with respect to the annual cost, right? So before starting to the question, we all know that total cost is equal to purchasing cost plus holding cost plus ordering cost, right? So there are formulas for it, like for the purchasing cost it is cost per piece into the annual usage, or the D into C, plus holding cost average inventory into C into CH, right, which is per unit per year, plus the ordering cost, which is the C naught, right, into Q. Right, so these are the three types of the cost which are associated, and there are certain formulas which are just a second, which is it is D by Q, right? D by Q into C naught, right? Now coming over to the question, if we try to solve it, okay, so we will assume we have two cases. For the case 1, if we assume we have been given the quantity is 1000, cost is rupees 10, right? Then entry cost is 10% and holding cost is 200 per hour, right? And time, or the reorder time, is 2 hours, right? In that case, first of all we'll calculate the holding cost, which would be 10 into 10 by 100, right? And if we calculate for a year, it would become rupees 1 per unit per year, right? And if we calculate the purchasing cost, or the C, we can directly write, would become 200 into 2, which would be 400 per order, right? Now if we apply the economic order quantity model over here, it states square root of 2 times D C naught divided by CH, where C naught will be the, where C naught would be the ordering cost, right, which we have calculated. So if we put the values 2 into 100 into 400 divided by holding cost, it would come near to 894.42 units, right? Now if we calculate the total cost for case 1 at Q star, then how much it would become? It would become Q star by 2 into CH plus D by Q into C naught, C naught plus purchasing cost, which is D into C. Right, so it would become 894.427 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1000 divided by 894.427 into 400 plus 1000 into 10. Right, so if we solve this out, it would come 10894.427 rupees. Similarly, considering the case second, when these 800 units are ordered from the vendor X, then the total cost from the vendor X, right, that we have to calculate. So it would become Q star 2 into 800 into 400 divided by 1, which would be 800 units, right? So total cost for this case would be 800 by 2 into 1 plus 800 divided by 800 D by Q multiply by 400 plus 800 into 10, right, which would come near to 8800 rupees, right? Similarly, for the vendor Y, because in the second case two vendors are there, right, it would be 200, cost is been given piece 5, okay, CH is 200 per hour, and time is 6 minutes, right? So then in that case, CH should become 5 into 100 by 100, which is rupees 5 unit per unit per year. If you calculate the ordering cost, it would become 200 into 6 by 60, and it would come near to 20 per order, right? So now next, if I try to solve this, Q star for the Y, it would become 2 into 200 into 20 divided by 50, should come near to 40 units, and for the total cost become Q star Y by 2 into CH plus D by Q star Y into C naught plus D into C, right? So total cost would become 40 by 2 into 5 plus 200 by 40 into 20 plus 200 into 5, so it would become rupees 1200, right? So total cost for the case 2 would be TCX plus TCY, right? So TCX we have calculated as 1800 rupees plus 1200 rupees. So if we add it both, it would come near to 10,000 rupees. Right, now we have to calculate the percentage reduction which has been asked in that question. Then it would come TC1 minus TC2 divided by TC1 multiplied by 100, right? Because we have to calculate the percentage. So total cost for the case 1 was 10894.4 minus 10,000 divided by, so it would come 8.20 percentage, right? So this is the answer.